Hey everyone, and welcome back to another installation video brought to you by Rockford Fosgate. As always, I'm Rico Felice with the Rockford Technical Training Institute, and in this video, we're going to take a look at the installation of some of our new Harley-Davidson motorcycle-specific products. So let's go inside our R&D department and see how these products are installed on the motorcycles. Alright guys, I am now joined by Brad with our new product development team, and he's going to walk us through the install of the front speakers on this 2012 Street Glide motorcycle. So Brad, what specifically are we going to be installing today?
We're going to be installing a new pair of our TMS6SGs. Now the SG stands for Street Glide, so it's pretty easy to know which ones you're going to need. Now to put them in this bike, it's going to be straightforward because we designed them to be pretty much plug and play.
Cool, well let's go ahead and get started with that install. Alright guys, so before we get started removing the front fairing, we want to make sure that we protect the front fender in the event something falls and doesn't get scratched up. So we're going to use this pad to cover it and protect it.
Now with the front fender protected, we can start by removing the 4 T27 screws on the back side of the front fairing. There are 2 located up by the speaker and 2 located in the lower part of the fairing between the front forks. Next, we're going to move on to removing the windshield. We're going to start by removing the 2 T27 screws on the outside.
Now once these are removed, we're only going to loosen the center screw. This will allow us to take the windshield off, but help hold the fairing in place until we're ready to take it off completely.
With the windshield out of the way, I can now remove the last screw that is holding on the fairing. With the screw out of the way, I can now remove the fairing and unplug the headlight.
Alright, so now that we have the fairing removed, we're ready to go ahead and remove the factory speakers. To start with, we're going to disconnect the factory speaker wires and then remove the 3 screws holding the speaker and their adapter in place.
With our factory speakers and adapters out of the way, we're now ready to install our new TMS6SG speakers. Now when doing so, we're going to use the included hardware and make sure we install them with the terminals at the 12 o'clock position. With our new speakers mounted, we can go ahead and reconnect our speaker wires to the new speakers.
Now once we have the speaker wires reconnected, we can go ahead, fire the bike up, make sure the speakers are working properly, at which point we can go ahead and start the reassembly process. All right, guys, so as you can see, it was pretty straightforward and easy install. Hopefully you got some good information out of it. And as always, check out our website for more detailed information on the products, or go to our YouTube channel for more installation videos. Brad, anything you want to add before we take off?
If you have any questions before, during, or after the installation, feel free to give our tech support team a call and they can help you out.
Great. Well, guys, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching the video, and I'm sure we'll see you again in another install video.